Water is a valuable resource for everyone. One of the key components in its delivery is the meter that measures the amount of water used at each location. Apple Valley has initiated a 2-year water meter replacement program to modernize the distribution system, which includes the replacement of over 15,000 water meters. A new feature of these meters is the ability for the city to detect a water leak at your property in a timelier manner. You may receive a letter alerting you that you could have a leak, but there is an easy way, whether you have a new meter or not, to check for water leaks. On the new style meters, there's a digital screen. If necessary, lift the lid to reveal the display. The information available will be on the amount of water that has gone through the meter since it was installed, the gallons per minute at which the water is currently flowing, and the water temperature. Simply touch the round sensor below the screen to toggle between these readings. If any amount of water is going through the meter, you'll see a plus sign in the upper left-hand side of the digital screen. To test for leaks, make sure no one in your house is using water, and then check to see if the plus sign is visible. If it is, then you have a leak somewhere in your home. The older style of meter has either a small triangle or a round dial. Any water that is moving through this type of meter, even a small amount, will make the triangle or dial spin. Another way to check for leaks is to document the meter over an extended period of time. If the reading has changed and you're sure that nobody has used any water, it may indicate that you have a water leak in your home. With either meter type, watch for any indication of water flowing through the meter. If you're determined or are notified by the city that there may be a leak at your home, check items like toilets, water softeners, indoor and outdoor faucets, whole house humidifiers, and irrigation systems. If you locate a leak, please repair it promptly. This will not only save water, it will save you money. Help us conserve water and do your part. Check for leaks today. Contact the city's Public Works Department if you have any questions about your water meter.